It's Ryan Moyer and welcome to my newest listing here in Dorado Hills. It's got some of the best views in Serrano. Come check it out. What a view, right? Well, now that we're inside, I want you to take a look. We got a open floor plan, high-end appliances, custom finishes throughout, and a brand new backyard. I'm really excited for you to take a look. It's been a pleasure giving you access to this one-of-a-kind property today. I invite you to come take a look in person. I guarantee you won't regret it.